What's good, guys? This is your boy Tyree back again with another video. If you're not already, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Subscribe right now and click that notification bell so every time I put out videos, you get more videos from me. So if you don't click on that notification bell, you won't know that I'm putting out videos. So click on that notification bell and you're gonna get videos from me. Every time there's a new video, you're gonna get videos from me. So let's get right into the video. So in today's video, we're gonna do an update. This is like an update, a continuation of more surveys. Insane, man. More surveys. I couldn't believe my eye. And as the shocking truth, man, I will have 4 surveys tomorrow. 4 surveys in the morning. Okay, so this first survey I'm doing, I like to test things out before I put it out there. That's very important because I don't want to put things out and then not knowing that this is legit, it's real and stuff. You can really make money, but I like to have, like, you know, I like to just try it out, see if it's, you know, legit. Test things out before I put it out to you guys, so you know that it's real. You can really make money with this. Really making money doing surveys. So this first survey is called this company called Respondent. I signed up. What was it? A couple of weeks ago and stuff. I started doing surveys. I was like, hey, you know what? Let me just do some surveys, and it's really good paying surveys. You got a survey for $100, $200, $300, $25, $50. But out of all those money I mentioned, guess how much I am making from that survey? From the first survey I'm about to mention. Guess how much? I've done 10 surveys and I got that first response. You see, sometimes, like, you do a survey, it's like, be like, damn, I'm failing too much. It's like, damn, this is bull crap. The key is staying consistent. Once you're consistent with something and anything besides me mentioning surveys, anything you desire to do in life, once you're consistent in something and really focus on what you got to do, everything is gonna pay for itself. You know, you're gonna become a master at it. So I did it. I pounded out. I passed all 10 surveys and 1 response. I want you guys to guess on how much I'm making for my first survey. Guess how much I'm making. So I'm gonna give you guys, you know, 30 seconds, you know, to think about on how much I'm gonna be making from this first survey I'm about to mention. This is 1 out of 4. Okay, I want you guys to think about this. Hope you guys give up. All right, let's pull it out to you. It is $50. Yay! First one for $50. And this first one is in-home, it's going to be online. So as long as I'm in front of my computer, it's going to be talking about transportation. I travel. So it's so much to talk about within transportation. I love it. I love topics to talk about. I don't like boring topics. So you have like boring topics, I run out of ideas and stuff. But I always think quickly on my feet. So transportation I have a lot to say with transportation. As I'm a New Yorker, so I do travel a lot. So this is going to be 30 minutes. 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes for $50. They're going to send it to my PayPal account. So if you guys don't have PayPal, create a free PayPal. It's free. So create a free PayPal account. You can look at the screenshot how much I'm earning right now. I know I mentioned $50, so look at the screenshot of this $50 payment and proof. Now, I'm not just talking bluff, but showing you guys it's possible when you put your mind to it. Check it out. All right, you guys see that? All right, so we knocked 1 out of 4 out. So this is going to be the second one. So the second one is a taste test focus group, right? The taste test is going to be New Jersey. But according to my time, I don't know if I'm going to make it to all 4. But most importantly, it's 3 out of 4 is the most important thing. So let's focus on 2. Then I go into details after I go through all the 4 surveys. So this 2 is going to be $30 for, it was like 10, 15 minutes. Trying out this, I don't know, new drink on the market. And letting us consumers tell us what we think of that drink, like if it tastes good and all, or we just write review. Like we're gonna have to like type up, so it's gonna be everything's gonna be based on either the computer or a tablet. But for this place, I haven't been there in quite some time. I do mostly online, but this is all in person. I have one in person, one at home focus group, and then I got 3 of them on the road. So which is cool. So the second one is gonna be a taste test. It's gonna be out in New Jersey. And they do taste tests all the time. I just got the notification because while I was in the movies, I got a notification say, hey, you got survey and stuff. I was like, oh, whoa, what's up? Making money while I'm doing it, being in the movies with my girl. So I can't be mad at that. So knock that out, right? So I was like, whoa, this is cool. I just confirm it, everything. So everything is nice and cheesy, and I'm doing this $30. So I don't know if I'm gonna make that one. So we're gonna go to the most important one, the third one. All right, the third one, just reiterating on the ones for the last week from Reckner. So the Reckner is gonna be $100, right? So you get paid on the second day. So it's a 2 days test, taste test. Now, that 2 days taste, I get paid on the second day. Now let's move on to the 4th. So you guys kind of know the Reckner already. I mentioned in my previous videos. So the 4th one is, you guys don't know about. It's called Strategies or something like that. Focus Strategies. I'm not don't remember exactly. I know it's Focus Group Strategies, something like that. So and they're based in New York, which is cool. So you guys, this one I'm earning $100. So it's kind of crazy what the timing, the $100. So the timing of the first one is going to be at home is going to be 9 o'clock. The second survey is going to be 11:30. The third one is going to be 3 o'clock, somewhere around that park. 3 o'clock is going to be 60 minutes to 60 minutes. I'm going to be finished around 4 o'clock, something like that. But the key is I'm going to do it pretty quickly. So I'm fast with I'm 60 minutes per minute with the computer. So I'm going to knock that out. And then I got to rush all the way to New York for that $100. Okay. So it's $50, $40. That's $90. That's $100. That is what? That's $190, and then there's the next $100. So that's $290 in 1 day. I'm saying 3 days in 1 day. So let's see. I can achieve that. I'm gonna let you guys know the details and stuff on the next video and give you an update on that. But at this moment, I'm only at this moment right now it's $290. I'm seeing $290 in my head. But if I don't, I will end up missing the Jersey because it would take too much of my time and stuff and all. But let's see how everything coordinates. That's very important to me. Like I like to see how everything works out, and I'm looking for the best to do all 4, to complete all 4. But I just wanted to share that with you guys, man. I'm loving it, man. It's just kicking in, man, starting off. But that's why me personally, I never rely on one source of income. I like to have multiple streams of income. So multiple streams of income, the better, man, because you could work somewhere and then what happens if you lose your job? You know what I mean? You lose your job and then what? Now what? Now what are you going to do? So guys, I appreciate you listening to me and appreciate you following me. Oh, another thing too, I want to shout out to all my new subscribers, man. Shout out to you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. This is a big movement on my channel and stuff. You know, I'm gonna get this channel to 1K. Let's help me get to 1K. Share this video with your loved ones, your friends, your family. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe, man. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching me, and God bless and peace out. Yeah.